Welcome to our channel. Wait till you see this.
Hey there everyone, this is Gerald with Overview Development here, getting ready to start this renovation project on this house here. This fire damage house. So we're gonna do a walkthrough and show you what it looks like on the inside. Alright. This is the front of the house. The fire damage was pretty good on this house. Well, not pretty good, but pretty extensive. Let's see what it did up here to the top. We'll have to take off some and replace some of the rafters. Look at this here. Talk about a hornet's nest. Alright, let's go on the inside here. You see pretty extensive damage on the inside here. Those are the rafters that I was talking about up there that we're gonna have to replace. And some of the decking up there. So this is the before video, so as you see, look at all the soot from the smoke. The thing about this property here is I actually was trying to buy the property. Then come to find out the homeowner really didn't want to sell, and then found out that the homeowners grew up with my wife. So that's how we ended up doing the rehab on this project here. It's a lot of stuff in here. Get more videos in the future.
Thank you for coming to our channel. Until the next time, like, share, and subscribe. See you then.